Imagine unlocking a global playground of content, connecting with influencers and audiences worldwide, completely unrestricted by location. Effortlessly juggling multiple social media accounts, safe from the dreaded account ban hammer. This isn't some futuristic fantasy. It's the everyday reality for smart marketers using mobile proxy IPs. It's easier than ordering takeout. Just a quick proxy setup on your phone, and you're ready to conquer the world. And guess what? It takes just 3 minutes. Let's show you how to get your phone proxy-powered in a flash. Let's do this. Open the Proxy 302 app. Select the proxy type you need to configure. Here you can select the country, region, and quantity of proxies you need. Generate a proxy based on your requirements. The generated proxy information will appear below. Then click Connect. Select a connection mode. There are 4 distinct operating modes here. With automatic mode, no further setup is required. Automatically uses a proxy for international websites, but not for domestic ones. In global mode, the proxy is automatically configured for all websites. Whitelist mode only allows websites you've specifically added to use the proxy. In blacklist mode, websites on your blacklist are skipped. To manage your blacklist and whitelist, you can go to the menu bar, click Settings, and add or remove addresses as needed. Let's return to the connection steps. Once you have selected your desired mode, the configuration will be complete. To make sure it worked, check your IP address by clicking the icon in the top right corner. If it matches the proxy IP, you're all set. Begin leveraging proxy services today to maximize your social media reach.